This video, how to change ASTL in FreeCAD. Now, when I started to use FreeCAD, one of the issues was I couldn't find any tutorial well done that could show me how to change ASTL in FreeCAD. And I was doing always in Tinkercad, but the problem in Tinkercad is that the quality of the changes cannot be really accurate. So if you want extremely precise design, in Tinkercad, you cannot do it. So let's get started. Without any file, usually we have this page. So let's create a new document. We select part and we import a document, a STL file, and this STL file is the design that I want to change. So here it is, you can see. This is a typical something that is used for the AM8. So what we want to do now is we would like to change the size of these holes, because these are M4 and we want to put M5, or if this M5 we put M6. So now we have this STL, we cannot do anything, we cannot change it. So the most important things here is first to go into the menu part and create shape from mesh. When we click there, there is a tolerance that we need to put, and usually it's preset for 0.10 millimeters. That is anyway what I'm printing all the time, so I don't need to go deeper in the details. 0.10 it's enough. So I click OK, and we can see that here is going to be created the new one. Now I just put the other one that I don't see, and I have this top corner plate. If we go to part, now there is an active menu that is called Convert to Solid, and I will click in order to convert to solid. And now you can see that is converted to a solid. So this one is already a solid we could use. There is one additional step that is very good to do it. It is refine shape. Once we do refine shape, then the shape is remade correctly, and now we can go and change some of the things we want to change. The problem is that in order to change it, we need to first create a body. And to create a body, we need to change from part to part design, highlight the model that we want, go to the part design menu, and do create a body. When we create it, you see this top corner plate is automatically put in not visible, and here there is a base feature, and this one related to this solid. Now you can delete all of them, but except with this top corner plate solid, because it's what is referenced from the body in the part design. So once we have that, then it's very easy. We can just click on the face we want, and then just create a sketch. And for instance, we would like to import all the details from this circle. However, if we do it, what is going to be the issue is that this circle has been changed to a sort of circle with all dots. So we don't have the center of the circle. So for circle, it is not so difficult to do it, because more or less you can guess where is the center. You can create and then move it, and you can really have something well done without any problem, without even, especially if you need to enlarge it. And if you need to cover it, is even easier, because you just make it bigger and then you fill it up. Now here if we take, for instance, this one and the circumference, and we see this is the radius, is 2,73, so let's put 275, probably is that, looks like is that, maybe it's not really 100% center, but it's fine. Let's say that we want to change, we have a M6, so we do a free, and because we need to consider a sort of tolerance for the screw, we just put 3.2, and here it is there, and now we could close it and create the new pocket, a new hole, and then we just say OK. Now, let's say that here, on this side here, we would like to put a sort of new border because it's very convenient for us. So what we do, we can either click there, but then click there means we need to do a different construction. What we can do, we can click here, create a new body. This is the part that is interesting for us. What we are going to do is we're going to take this line out, and then we do exactly the same design. We're going to make a nice rectangle. These two needs to be coincident, and these two needs to be coincident. And the size of this, I would like to have at least 2 millimeters. Now it's 10, then I would like to have it 4. Okay, then at least it's nice visible. So I go back. As you can see, we have created exactly there, and now we have just to extrude a pad, and as you can see, it's going to disappear. We do reverse, and then reverse length is 10, but we want to do more, and we want to say we want to have 20. Okay, now this is 21. We want to put 20, but we need to consider that this one, the length of this, I think, is 5. Yes, it's 5, as you can see. So we need to put 25. Then we have a 20 there. Now, this is how it is, and we can click OK, and the new model is done. Now, if we want, we can do all the other things. We can put additional holes, and but the STL is changed how it should be. Thank you very much for listening, and I wish there was a sort of tutorial like that when I started to use FreeCAD. Thank you.